To download and install Scrcpy on your computer browser, search for Scrcpy GitHub and open this GitHub first link. In this right hand menu, you will find this releases option. So here you will find the latest version of Scrcpy app. Click on this, and here you directly jump into this assist page. Here you have to download the Scrcpy file according to your system. So my PC is 64-bit, so I'm just clicking on Scrcpy Windows 64 zip file, and we can see the file is now downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer and go to download folder, and here you'll find Scrcpy zip file. Now we have to extract this zip file first of all, and then open the folder. Open Scrcpy Windows folder. In this folder, here you will find this Scrcpy.exe file. So double click on this, and if you see this warning, just click on more info, then click on run anyway, and Scrcpy will start to install in your PC. Now to connect your phone with PC using this option, first of all connect your phone with the USB cable, then open this Scrcpy.exe file, then you'll be able to easily control your phone screen. Now go back to the GitHub main page, and here if you scroll down, if you come to this usage example section, then here you will get lots of command to control the Scrcpy. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.